So the given part is, given A has infinite order. So what is given? Given is order of A is infinite. This thing is given. Now that means what happen? A square, A cube, all are distinct element. Distinct, then all distinct power, that means the power are different, then these numbers are different. For example, if we take A is equal to 2, then what happen? If I change the different powers of 2, that means 2 and 2 square, 2 cube, 2, 4, so on. See, each time when power is different, the number is different. This is, here we are taking 2, so this give the 4 number and this give 8 number. So numbers are different. Here, so given A is infinite order, only in that case. If we suppose the powers are distinct and numbers are not distinct, then what happen? That means we have to, we suppose the powers are distinct and A's are not distinct. That mean what we suppose, if I and J are power and they are distinct, right? That means if we suppose I not equal to J and A raised to I equal to AJ, that means we are supposing numbers are not distinct and power are distinct. Then what happen? This means because A is given, G is given group, so since G is group, therefore A minus J, that means inverse of each element, or you can say inverse of each element exists in G. So A raised to minus J exists. And one more thing here we can notice, if I and J are not equal, then either A is larger than J or J larger than I. So we also suppose I greater than J. That means now AI minus J, AJ minus J, so right side become E, or you can say A raised to 0, right? So this means base is same and powers we are taking this, the base is same. So here what I get I minus J is equal to 0, and this means I is equal to J. Otherwise I equal to J, but we supposed that I, J are not equal. One way is this. Other way, this is also equal to identity. This is also equal to identity. This means This means otherwise we can say order of A is I minus j by the definition of order. That means because I we are taking greater than j, this means we can say order of A is finite. But what is here given? Order of A is infinite. Again contradiction. So as the contradiction. So for distinct powers, elements are distinct, right? This is the result.